guys. I haven't forgot about you. Been busy at life. I haven't really been riding that much. So you can see it's kind of flat. I think for overall design, for a quick update, we're going to get rid of both controllers. We're going to replace them with flip skis or flip sky, or they're these smaller, thinner ones anyway, more programmable. We got to do something about this. This is no good. The batteries do fit on there right, and they fit good, but it's too top heavy. And the whole back of the bike swings. I have no shock, which kind of sucks. And every time I hit a major pothole, I feels like my whole spine is going in the S shape. So we're gonna put the shock back on. I'm gonna redesign something that hangs out the back of the bike for the battery boxes. We're gonna go off these holes here and have a bar that come across here like this, and then comes down and then bolts to here. It'll be overhang, but it will be enough to hold those. Keep them down here and away from my foot, obviously. Yeah, it should be alright. It'll be just like when we had the extension on it, but instead of the whole bike wheel extended out, it'll be just the battery. So we'll see how it works. And definitely getting rid of this. It's no good. The two new controllers will lighten that up there. I'm using the 30 watt regulator just so for the ignition on the bike. If I can find something smaller that runs at 80 volts, 12 volts, I will get rid of that. The only ones I have here that are smaller than that run at 30 volts, and they probably blow up if I put anything beyond that in it. But I'm definitely going to keep the bike. I've always had an e-bike. I'm into bicycles. So, but you can see how bent this frame is. Look at how far off that is. It's brutal. Yeah. So I'd have to physically bend that this way. That's because when I had the extension on it and all the weight, yeah, didn't remember on this is all steel, so it's not going to break, it's just going to bend. But yeah, I haven't really done that much with it. I'm busy with life, moving and everything else, other channels. This winter we will totally strip it down and rebuild with new flip ski controllers, and obviously whatever I can do with this, we'll see. We'll have to be creative. Originally I thought maybe I would just bolt this down here, but then it would hit the wheel, and it's not gonna work. Anyway, that's about it for an update for this bike, guys. It's been sitting, it's covered in dust. Take it easy.